welcome back. I'm Angela from artorai.com. This is just going to be a very short video today. I'll try and get this right. My son's friend's mum, who I don't even know, used to do a lot of crafting. She doesn't do it anymore, so these have been stored for years and years. And the last time my son went down to visit his friend, he came back with just an enormous box of crafting stuff that she doesn't use anymore. She won't even accept any money for it. She's just so kind, and she doesn't even know me. So the first thing that caught my eye were these punches. Have you seen these before? I've never seen any like this. I have so many punches. I have punches from Stampin' Up, from Crafter's Companion, from goodness knows where else, but I've never seen these before. So I've got them out. I'm going to give them a go on some bits of scrap. So I've just got a few pieces of scrap here. I'd be interested to know if you've ever seen any like these, because I haven't. So what do we do with this one? Give that a good hammer. That's pretty. It's got something in there. I don't know if that's rust, because these have been stored for 5 years, oops, apparently, so there could be a little bit of rust involved. Probably need to give that a good clean inside, but that's kind of pretty. Let me see what we have here. These look like border ones, don't they? Whoops, that didn't go very well. Put that right in there. That's better, I think. Yeah, these might be a little bit rusty inside. Pretty though, it's kind of nice. Yeah, these look as though they've seen better days, but I'm sure with some love and care they can come up again. Push that one right in. Oh, don't know if that one's even going to work. That one's a bit blunt. Oh. Yeah, so they are working. They are just going to need some TLC, and I really like them. Yeah, that one feels as though it has a bit of glue or something on. Yeah, nice. Just wondering what I could do with them. I mean, if they are border dies, how would you line them up? I wonder if that has something to do with it, these little markers, I'm not sure. Oh, I like that one. Can I line them up? Does that go in there? I'm not sure how to line that up. No, I'm going to have to try and figure out how to line this up, because I do like that. If anybody knows how to line these up so I can get a border, please let me know, because I haven't a clue. There's another one. Oh no, this one's going to be pretty. Hearts and foliage. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I think that's my favourite so far. I really like that. I don't suppose you have to use them as border dies. You could just use them as card decorations. That's nice. I'm surprised, to be honest, because they've been stored goodness knows where for the past 5-6 years. I'm surprised they're still working at all. It's another lovely one. So one at top and one at bottom. Would make a nice card topper, I think. Try this one. Oh. Yeah, they're in surprisingly good condition, to be honest. That's nice as well. 3 left. I wouldn't even know where to buy these. one might be broken. Those are not retracting. Oh dear, I think I've broken it. Oh, eventually it came up. I was a bit rough with that there, but that's a lovely pattern as well, kind of art deco. Maybe if I use them more often, they might loosen up a little bit. I don't know if do you oil these? How do you clean them? I have no idea. Last one. Kind of lethal. Don't know how to open that one. Wow, that is stuck. That is well and truly stuck. I don't want to put my hands anywhere near there because I will end up doing some damage. Yep, that is stuck. Oh dear. Did that work now? Let me have another go with that one. I might have to give up on this one. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that one. I don't think that one's working. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to have another go on that one. It's springing all right. I'll have another go with that one later. Get rid of all these. It also came with some little decorations. Oh, that is so cute. Isn't that lovely? These either stickers or, oh no, they're fussy cutting things. That's scary to me. Beautiful though. Absolutely gorgeous. So she just didn't want them. I don't know how much she spent on all this, but she wouldn't take a penny. So I guess this one could be used as a card topper in itself. I suppose you could cut elements off that one. Oh, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're so cute. Little butterflies. Yeah, these look like fussy cutting elements. And again, I suppose you couldn't really use that as a card topper unless you don't mind loads of sentiments in one place. Oh, that's lovely, like a little stamp. Some lovely flowers. Really thick cardstock with dimensionals on. Oh, they're beautiful. They're gorgeous. Looks like she's already attempted a card topper there. That's lovely. Silver butterflies and dragonfly, lovely. Oh, look at that. I am absolutely loving these. Little bits of ephemera decorations with foam pads already on the back. Oh, aren't they lovely? Quite realistic looking, but they're just card. I love purple and I love butterflies. Speaking of which, oh, it's exactly the same as that one. Oh, look at that. My goodness. Oh dear, I'm obsessed with these little decorations. They are just beautiful. Oh, they're kind of puffy, like puffy stickers. Yeah, they're like puffy stickers. To be honest, I'm not sure what I would use those for. I'd give them to somebody who does a lot of journaling, maybe. Oh, there we go again. Look at that. Oh, for goodness sake. They're just adorable. Beautiful. kitties. I love kitties. What part of meow don't you understand? Always time for a cat nap. I don't fetch. That's lovely. I love it. Oh, look. Stamps. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I can see a girl's card coming up. More puffy ones. These are not really my thing, but I'm sure somebody will like them. Yeah, there's quite a few on there. Seems to come off. Sort those out later. Maybe quite a few of these actually. Yeah, purple and butterflies again. Ooh, more fussy cutting stuff. More puffy things. They really are gorgeous, mind. Even the fussy cutting ones. I'm going to have to attempt to fussy cut because they're really gorgeous. Beautiful flowers. Oh, look at that. So cute. More puffies. Oh, more silver cutouts. They're just gorgeous. Beautiful. These are the ones I like. The stick-ons are just incredibly cute. Oh, here's a dog one. Beautiful. That's so cute. And Dalmatian. Oh, sentiments. Lovely. More butterflies. As well. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. They just get better. Look at that little house. I wouldn't even know where you could buy these. I think that one's already had a colouring in attempt, but I like them as they are. Oops. Not sure what's happened there. They've all piled up on themselves. Sort those out later. Oh, more little kitties. Cats rule, dogs drool. I like that. That's really good. Oh, look at that for a party, engagement, a wedding. It's just so beautiful. Oh, there's only one left on there. It's a shame, but it's still pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, actually, it's my niece's anniversary next week. This would be beautiful for a card for her. I'm going to leave that to one side actually and sort that out. More puffies. And lastly but not leastly, they just, oh, look at that. Little gardening stuff. Honestly, they're just beautiful. Let me see what else there is. I have some embossing boards. Keepsake Card Craft 2004.biz. I've never heard of those. But you just put your card, and I've shown you how to do this a few times on my Crafter's Companion Ultimate Pro tutorials. You just put a piece of card on and get a scoring tool and just draw around it. Oh, here's some more. Oh, the roses, and they're gorgeous. They're really nice. Anything on the back? Yeah. More flowers and some patterns. Wow. I'm dead excited. So, apart from all of these, there's a lot of bits and stuff like this. There are actually a lot of blank cards and envelopes, so I'll have to go through those to see if any can be salvaged, but I'm just over the moon with all of this. And like I say, it didn't cost me a penny and she won't accept a penny. But I can imagine all kinds of things I can make with these. I just think these little decorations are beautiful. So anyway, that was just a little video just to show off something that I've received as a gift from somebody I don't even know. So I'm just wondering what I can do with all of these. If you have any ideas, just drop a comment down below. I'll be glad to hear any ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye now.